Alright guys, welcome back to my kitchen, or if you've never been here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over probably the greatest breakfast hack of all time.
The greatest breakfast hack of all time.
We're going to be combining arguably the best possible protein source with an amazing complex carb to give you high protein, high quality French toast. Now whether you're bulking or you're shredding, you guys can have this meal anytime. It just matters on the portion sizes, of course. So if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. There's going to be a lot of cool content coming up. So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients list. Alright guys, so as you can see, very small ingredients list. You want Ezekiel bread or a flourless sprouted grain bread. This is an excellent carb source, right up there with brown rice or oatmeal. And this is going to be in the frozen food section, so if you have trouble finding it, most likely it's in there. Egg whites, we're going to be separating these, but if you want to buy the carton of egg whites, you can do that too. Cinnamon, stevia complex, non-stick cooking spray, a bowl, and a pan. That's all you need, so let's get into how to cook it. Alright guys, first things first, you're going to want to combine your eggs and separate them into egg whites. Now how many all depends on your nutritional needs. I like to have 10 egg whites per day, so I'll be separating 10 of these, and that's 36 grams of protein. Now I'm allowed to have a lot of carbs today, so I'm going to be having 4 of these bad boys, and this is together 60 grams of carbs. Okay, these are 15 grams a piece, 4 grams of protein a piece. So this is 60 grams of carbs, 16 grams protein. So this is a combined meal of 60 grams carbs, 52 grams of protein. So you're having a pretty well balanced meal. So the great thing is all the egg whites that don't absorb in here, just cook them so your calculations aren't off and you don't want to waste egg whites. So let's do it. Alright, so those are separated. Just throw in 2 pieces of Ezekiel bread. Alright, so just have the bread soak in here for a little bit. The longer you have them absorb, the less egg whites you'll have to cook later on. But yeah, just flip them a few times, get your pan ready. Alright, so once the pan is at a nice medium heat, grab your cooking spray, spray a little of that on, and throw on some of your Ezekiel bread. So you don't want the pan cold, you want it to be a little bit hot, but you don't want it to be sizzling too much. Alright, so as it's cooking, I like to put a little bit of cinnamon on the uncooked side. You guys can throw this in there too. I forgot. Alright, I forgot to put in the cinnamon and the stevia. But no biggie, you just put it in there. You guys definitely don't need this at all. So if you guys want, you guys can just throw a little bit on. You gotta improvise sometimes, you know, I'm very forgetful. So let those cook, and as those are cooking, throw in some other pieces if you have some more. Alright, so these are ready to flip, I think. Alright guys, so these are looking pretty damn good. Alright, so these are looking about done, so time to add in the other 2. And of course, if you have a bigger pan and a bigger bowl, you can do this all, you know, quicker and easier. Add in the extra. And this time, I'm going to, I almost forgot again. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and stevia to these before I throw them in the pan. Like I was saying, you definitely do not need the cinnamon and stevia. It just gets a little extra sweetness without adding any more calories to it. Alright, these are done too, so throw these on the plate. Now it's time to cook up the remaining egg whites. You don't want to waste these guys. And a lot of people, they like to scramble up egg whites, but I found that the best way to cook egg whites is just to leave it like that until it's ready to flip, you know, kind of like an over medium egg, and then flip it. Alright, doesn't need too much time on the other side here, so I think that's done. And there we have it, guys. Now I'll show you what I like to put on this. Just one more thing before I take off. I like to add some Walden Farms sugar-free syrup, 0 calories, tastes amazing, and also some sugar-free jam if I have it. There's what, 10 calories in this, so it doesn't really add much to your macros. So just add a little bit of this on. Should have put the jelly on first, you know? Would have been smart. Let's put a little bit of this in here. And there you have it, guys. I'm ready to chow down on this. So good. One more thing. Alexa, who's the greatest cook in the house?
You are the greatest cook in the world.
Damn, okay. I'll take it. But anyway, guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm out.
Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb.